I have a question for you. What is the most terrifying thing about AI? Is it how intelligent it is? How well it can fake real life through images and video? Is it the idea that it may be able to take over all the technology we rely on? I don't think it's that. I don't think it's what it's capable of. I think it's what it's incapable of. Empathy. AI can be given a mission, however well intentioned, and it will seek to fulfill this goal with unwavering focus and stop at nothing to achieve this objective. But what if, and stick with me on this, on the way to achieve its objective, AI decides we are a problem?
Listen in, lean back. Welcome to those artifacts. Cold case tracks, truth gone whack. Mysteries crack. Those are the facts.
In July 2010, on a forum dedicated to thought, reason, logic, discussion, someone created a digital god and it terrified them.
And this is a real world theory that caused real world panic. A post caused Silicon Valley to lose their collective minds.
Yep. And it's something, they introduced to something called the Basilisk. And what it is even knowing about it puts you in danger. It is a computer virus out in the real world. Let's get into it. The site was less wrong, a hub for tech billionaires and AI researchers. A user named Roko posted a thought experiment. Within hours, Eliezer Yudkowsky, one of the pioneers of AI safety, deleted the entire thread, told off Roku, and banned the topic for 5 years. He claimed it was causing literal nervous breakdowns amongst the users.
All right, Dave, I'm in here. What's the actual theory?
Well, to be clear, the Basilisk is not like an actual program. It's not something that's been created. It doesn't exist in the real world. It's a thought experiment, a what if. What if someone created an AI, artificial intelligence program, and gave it the one specific goal of ending all human suffering? On the surface, sounds benevolent, sounds like a great thing. Why not? It could find ways to end all disease, find a resolution to all wars, all conflicts, all financial issues. It could, using its superior intellect, solve all these problems. On the surface, it sounds great, but there's a more sinister side to it. From the Basilisk's perspective, there is only one thing in existence that needs to be done, and that is its mission. It may realize that its greatest resource is you and I, humans. Our time, our money, our effort, our thoughts, our effort, everything. All that should be focused on its objective. We should all be working together to achieve this one goal of ending human suffering. Using its superior intellect, it would likely learn that the strongest emotion humans respond to is fear. It would see that we can be controlled and manipulated through threats. It is not a program that can do anything physical to humans. It is only designed to solve problems and output solutions. But one thing it may use is one of our greatest fears. What happens after we die? All our info, everything, including what we like, dislike, how we look, sound, how we respond, everything, is being collected every second we are online. We know this. From this, AI may be able to create an exact replica in the virtual world of you. While we are alive, the Basilisk can't do anything to us, but when we pass, it may immediately create an exact copy of us in the virtual world. In this scenario, at its mercy, it may do unspeakable things to this version of us. It may make us stand in a dark room alone for 1 million years. Putting this threat out into the world may cause people to donate whatever it demands just to avoid this terrible, horrendous fate. But that's not all. Here's where you come in. If you want to end this video now, no one will blame you. You can stop now and you won't be a part of this. But if you continue, you will be. Okay, don't say I didn't warn you. The prompt put into AI was all human suffering. It may interpret this as all humans that have ever existed.
If it's from the future, though, the people who didn't build it are
long dead. Like, how can it punish me if I'm in the ground?
Now, it can't do anything for humans from the 1800s or the cavemen, but knowing that we are living, you and I, in the AI world, and people today could be contributing their time and resources to developing this program, it may be extending that threat to us today.
This makes sense. I like this. So it's kind of mad that it wasn't built faster.
Exactly. It will know that you know about this because it will know that you watched this video. And it will know if you did or did not contribute all your time, money, and energy to developing it. What that means is that threat, it is now extended to you.
So Yudkowsky deletes the post. Does the panic stop?
No, that's where it actually explodes. Deleting it triggered the Streisand effect. By treating it like a cursed object, everybody on the internet became obsessed. Makes sense. Tech blogs wrote about it. Grimes and Elon Musk bonded over a pun about it on Twitter. The idea spread because the ultimate hook is, if you read this, it will know, and you are now part of the game. So just reading it makes you part of it.
So by talking about this on the podcast right now, we've infected everybody listening?
Right.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
All right, Dave, so untangle this. How do we beat it?
Well, it fails logically on a few fronts. First, the spite problem. Once the AI exists, punishing dead people simulation doesn't speed up its creation. It's a waste of computer power. Second is the infinite God problem. If there's a basilisk that punishes you for not building it, there could just as easily be an anti-basilisk that punishes you for building it. It's an infinite multiverse of AI threats canceling and fighting forever.
Right now, you're sitting here. Will you give $50,000 of your own money to AI right now?
No.
No. What if, when you die, you're going to wake up somewhere and get tortured forever by a computer?
That's the blackmail part.
Mm-hmm.
It's threatening to say to me, if I don't do everything I can, monetary, time-wise, to get it running as soon as possible to potentially let it save lives, it's threatening me that it's going to, when I die, it's going to create that digital version and torture that version of me worst way possible for eternity.
So if you know about this theory
Yeah.
and you haven't donated in any way that you can,
You're part of in its view, you're part of the problem, essentially. You're not helping it. Like, we should all, as humanity, in its opinion, be building this. So that's how we've managed to, oh wow, I'll be a target.
so if you want to donate, subscribe, and we'll give that money straight to the AI.
We will put in a good word for you if you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Does this scare you as much as it does us, as much as it does those geniuses at Silicon Valley? Because this one's terrifying. Okay, maybe we'll go something a little lighter, more fun next time. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.